Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can search your unit or character by category using a filter feature in Dokkan Battle. So if you want to assemble a team, let's tap the team first, tap team like this. Maybe I give you a blank team like this. For example, this one. If you want to assemble team by this leader, Planet Namek Saga, you can tap the team formation. This is your character. You can use this filter type, typing type, and this one. You can use this feature filter select by tapping select category and try to search the Planet Namek Saga or Super Saiyan. Like this. Tap the Planet Namek Saga and tap OK, OK, and this one. This is all the Planet Saga unit that I have. So you can assemble the team according his leader skill, Planet Namek Saga. Or you can also looking for 3 under 2 category like this, Gifted Warrior and Battle of Fate or World Tournament. Let's get back by tapping team formation, or you can search with this your character list. Tap the type, tap the category, and tap using this for easier, like gift a terrifying conqueror. Tap and give the Gifted Warrior and tap it. This is all the unit that has that 2 category, Gifted Warrior and Terrifying Conqueror. So please free to try. Select your character, search your character easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. Enjoy the game.